Have you ever heard your tummy go grrr when you're hungry? That sound is your stomach growling. Inside your body is your tummy and intestines, where food goes after we eat. They gently squeeze and move food around to help our body use it. This squeezing is always happening, even when there's no food inside. When your tummy is empty, it still keeps moving. But instead of food, it moves air and tiny bits of leftover food. When the air gets pushed and squeezed, it makes a rumbling sound. That's the growl. Your brain also sends a message to your tummy when you're hungry. It says, "Get ready, food is coming soon." So your tummy moves even more and the sound can get louder. So why does our stomach growl? Because our tummy is moving air around and getting ready for food. It's not bad at all. It's just your body saying, "I'm hungry." Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.